Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share my um, design team package from the Inloveartshop. And I am going to start out with this beautiful Christmas series flower dies. And there it goes. Isn't that pretty? However, I don't plan on using it for Christmas. I'm just going to make it any color and use it as a flower for now. All right. And then next up is this diamond embossing folder. And if you can look real closely, it has hearts connecting each diamond. So I thought that was really, really pretty. So I'm excited about using that. And then next up, we have this lemon glass frame decor dies there. And I thought that was super cute. I like that there. And then we have the cute bow bag handle dies there. So this is actually a topper, and it's kind of small, maybe a couple inches. Let me see if I have a ruler. It's kind of small, however, it's really cute, and it's a double bow. I seen it on their site, 2.5 inches. So I seen it on their site. So you take the bigger one and fold that down first, and then take the second one, and then this is the centerpiece there. Really, really cute. All right, and next up we have the diamond background board dies. And as you all know, I love background dies. That's probably my favorite. And then we have the creative earth die and map. So, and I did not have an earth die, so I thought that would be really cute. I seen on Serendipity, I want to say it was Serendipity Arts channel. She made earth tags, oh my goodness, that were out of this world. Not tags, cards. I love them. And I was so excited that I had picked up this earth die. So yes, I'm excited about working with that. The next up is the multiple lace tag dies. And this is so cute. I thought these little short tags were just adorable, but we'll see what I make with them. I want to do embellishments. However, sometimes I struggle, so it will probably turn into a card, but I love this though. And then the last thing I got were the slim branches nesting frame dies. And I think this would go very well with like either you can add in a kid's picture to one of those, or zoo theme cards or products. I'm sorry, or projects, but really, really cute. I can even see Winnie the Pooh in something like this. All right, so I will be back probably within about a week or so. I have so much stuff going on here. That I am starting to fall behind. But if you have the chance, make sure you head over to Inlovearts. They have a lot of new products in their store. Really, really cute. I'm going to leave the links to these down below, as well as my discount code. And make sure you head over and go shopping. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Stay safe out there.